Hey guys, we're down here at Fireplace Supply in the Marshfield Mall, and we are going to show you today on how to clean your glass on your gas fireplace. The big three before you clean your glass. Make sure the fireplace is off, make sure your pilot light is off, make sure your gas line supply is off. Okay, the first thing you want to make sure you do before you clean your glass is make sure that your fireplace is in the off position. So in this particular remote, which is very common, there's 3 cycles on here. This would be the on position. This would be thermostat mode if you wanted it to be controlled via temperature. And then your next setting is the off position. So make sure your fireplace is off and then your pilot light is off as well. We're going to be working on our Ascent 46 gas fireplace, which is similar to most of our fireplaces. But the first thing we need to do is lift the safety screen up and off and get that off to the side. And you will see now that the glass is exposed. You're going to find 2, well, on this model there's actually 3 above and 3 below. They are spring-loaded clips. There are 3 spring-loaded clips on the top and 3 spring-loaded clips on the bottom that you pull forward and release. And then what you want to do is you want to lay your glass face down on a towel. And you want to obviously make sure that the unit is cool before you do this. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to take a non-ammonia glass cleaner and we're going to spray that on the inside of the glass, and she's just going to do a quick wipe to take the immediate, and you can see there's a lot of residue on the glass. And when this unit is functioning properly, it's going to look clear or milky white on your glass, but when you wipe it off, it will look black on your rag. This is just normal residue that comes from the gas. So after we do that initial dry wipe, we are going to put on the cream cleaner, which is almost like a car wax. You're going to wax on, wax off, and then there's going to be a period of time where we're just going to let that dry for a little while and set in, and then we will come back and wipe that clean. The cream cleaner is available down here for purchase at our store, and this cream cleaner does a little bit better job of the tough spots than just the non-ammonia glass cleaner. And we will wipe the front of the glass off just in case anybody has put their handprints on there. And she will do this actually after she reinstalls the glass. What she's doing is she's pulling the 3 upper and the 3 lower clips forward and snapping them back onto the rails. And now what she's doing is she's just wiping down. There's just going to be some dust that's going to accumulate around the unit. She's just taking and wiping that off. And again, that you would use your non-ammonia glass cleaner, not your cream cleaner for that. Then it's simply a matter of lifting the safety barrier screen back up. You slide it upward about, I would say, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Set it in, and you will feel it set back down onto the pegs. The glass on startup will condensate, which is normal. This will go away in a minute or 2. Leaving your pilot light on will assist greatly in reducing the condensation and keeping all of your electronics dry. All right, so there you have it. We now have clean fireplace glass. Thank you, Kelly. So we want you to know that each fireplace is a little bit different, and your glass may come off differently than what the glass on this Ascent 46 fireplace comes off. So please consult your product manual, and there will be a section in there on how to properly remove and clean your glass and replace it.